We have exciting news for all restoration contractors. We are thrilled to announce the one-time only Top Rep Insurance Restoration Sales Training Bootcamp with myself, Jim Johnson, Nathan Thibodeau, and the $18 million man, Mr. Dan Walrick, coming June 1st to Minneapolis. This exclusive one-day training event is extremely limited, so make sure that you grab your team seats because there are only 60 seats available. This truly is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to learn from the best in the industry and transform your sales techniques to close more deals, boost your revenue, and increase your profits. The Top Rep Bootcamp will cover a range of topics from the Top Rep Flight Plan, strategies to build trust, establish irresistible value, and gain that commitment from your prospects in a way that doesn't feel like they're being sold. And last but not least, the proven closing roadmap that will increase your closing percentages up to and beyond 85% in insurance restoration sales. This event is taking place on June 1st. It's going to be held at the Hook Agency right there in Minneapolis, Minnesota. But here's the catch. We only have 60 seats available and it will sell out fast. So don't delay. Get your spot right now. Learn the Top Rep Flight Plan that has taken hundreds of contractors from competing to dominating their markets. Get the Top Rep Sales Training Workbook and then go beyond the hustle with Dan Walrick, the $18 million man, to build your never-ending network. Each team will also receive game-changing practice cards, which are those pivot point cards. Those are those closing cards that we have already sold thousands of across the United States, Canada, and the UK for objection handling and stalls and excuses. These tickets are half of what you would pay at Top Rep for the Top Rep event because of the assistance of the Hook Agency that they're giving us to put this event on. This event will be given at the Hook Agency on June 1st, and again, there's only 60 seats available. So get your tickets right now. Click on the link, and I will see you at Top Rep.